Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winter and today's video is going to be a foundation review on the Evolutionary foundation. This is the Cake Tokyo Powdery Skin Maker. This is a super cool foundation because it changes from a liquid to powder finish in just 15 seconds. So this means that you no longer have to set your foundation and worry about it creasing throughout the day. So if you're interested to see if it really works, just keep watching. So this is my bare skin right now and I'm going in with the Cake Tokyo Powdery Skin Maker. So I'm just going to pump a couple of drops here and I'm in the shade 01 and I'm going to dot it all over my face like so. And then I'm going to blend the foundation with a synthetic brush and I'm going to work it really fast because I only have 15 seconds before it kind of powderizes. So what I really love about this foundation is the coverage because despite all my active breakouts and blemishes, especially after doing a facial literally yesterday, with just one light layer it's able to cover everything up and it gives me a beautiful flawless and airbrush finish. So if you have troubled spots like me, I would suggest taking the foundation on the back of your hand and dabbing it all over the problematic areas to build up the coverage. The coverage is really beautiful. It's a medium to full coverage foundation and it doesn't even cake up. It blends seamlessly into the skin, so I really enjoy it. So now that my skin is all nicely blended out with the Cake Tokyo Powdery Skin Maker, I'm going to do a 15 seconds test to see if it really changes from liquid to powder. So let's get it started. 15 seconds. This is how my skin looks like after 15 seconds and we're gonna see if it really powderizes by doing the confetti test. So I have a whole bunch of confetti here and we're gonna throw it. So right off the bat, it didn't even stick on my face. Come on, look at it. I have confetti on my hands and it doesn't even stick on my skin. Instead, it's stuck on my hair. So now I'm gonna have glittery hair when I go out. So it didn't even stick on my skin and you can see how even my skin is right now. It is matte. I don't even need to set it with a powder. It's so easy. This Evolutionary foundation is definitely something you need to check out. So it's an experiment success. So we've come to the end of the review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is my full face of makeup and it's how I always rock the look with this Cake Tokyo Powdery Skin Maker. I really love this foundation because it is lightweight. I no longer need to set my makeup with a powder and it lasts the entire day. The best part is it has such a great coverage. I don't even need concealer to conceal my blemishes. So if you're interested to learn more about this foundation, I'll leave the link down below to Cake Tokyo's website. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!